In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Figma page from one file to another. To make this smooth and safe, we'll start by creating a clean duplicate of the page you want to move. Duplicating first is a best practice because it protects your original work, keeps your file history intact, and lets you prepare a transfer-ready copy without disrupting ongoing collaboration. Begin in the file that contains the page you want to move. Look to the left-hand sidebar for the Pages panel. If you don't see it, expand the left panel so the list of pages is visible. Find the page you want to take to another file. Now, open the context menu for that page by right-clicking its name in the Pages panel. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way, and if you don't have a right-click setup, Control-click will also bring up the menu. Make sure you're clicking the page name itself in the Pages list, not a frame or a layer on the canvas. The options are different depending on what's selected. From that menu, choose Duplicate Page. Figma instantly creates a full copy of the page in the same file. You'll see it appear in the Pages list, typically right below the original. This duplicate includes everything on that page: frames, layers, components placed on the canvas, styles applied, and prototyping connections defined inside the page. Nothing in the original page is altered. This is your staging copy, which you can confidently use for the move without impacting any ongoing work or shared links that point to the original. Take a moment to confirm the duplicate looks right. The canvas content should match, interactions inside the page should remain intact, and components will still reference their libraries as long as those libraries are enabled in the file. If your team relies on shared libraries, make sure the destination file also has those libraries available so components stay linked after you move content. That prevents unexpected detaches or missing styles later. A quick note on access. You'll need edit permissions in the source file to create the duplicate and appropriate access to the destination file for wherever you plan to place the content. Also, very large pages can be heavy. Give Figma a second to finish duplicating before continuing. With the duplicate ready, you now have a safe working copy to bring into the target file using your team's standard process. Starting with a duplicate keeps your source pristine, reduces risk, and makes the handoff to another file simpler and more reliable.